Emtone is the first and only device that simultaneously delivers both thermal and mechanical energy to treat all major contributing factors to cellulite. How does Emtone work? Cellulite is a multifactorial problem. Women are told fibrous bands run from skin to muscle through the fat. When the bands pull downward on the skin, the fat pushes upward. But there is more to the story. Emtone simultaneously emits both radiofrequency and targeted pressure energy. Combined, there is a synergistic effect that neither technology can achieve on its own.